Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where we are currently discussing how to make our own Discord.js bot. And in the previous video we discussed about the basic stuffs related to the message contents and how to make a very simple command, and we made a simple hi command like this. And today we will be discussing more about the commands in Discord.js and we'll be doing a little more advanced stuff. So let's get started. So to make the advanced command, the first thing you need to do is get back to your code editor, and this is where we left off in last video, where we made a very basic command that is hi and the bot replied with hello. And today we're gonna improve it, and instead of typing prefix in the command again and again here in code, we're gonna make a separate variable so we don't have to type this prefix again and again. I'm gonna make a constant here, constant prefix is equals to, and the prefix for our bot will be a exclamation mark. And I'm gonna remove the old code here, and now I'm gonna divide the message content and make an array out of it. So I'm gonna call that array, let args will be the name of the array, is equals to message dot content dot slice. We're gonna remove the prefix from the message first. Like if I'm using command hello reply me, then what it will do is remove the first part, that is the prefix, from it and take only hello reply me dot slice prefix dot length. The slice command uses the number of elements you need to remove from the string or array. So here I'm using prefix dot length, which will return as 1. So we are removing only 1, that is the first element from this string. Dot trim, I'm using trim to specify that if there are any spaces in the beginning or in the end, it will remove that starting and ending space. Then I'm splitting it, not split. It will create an array of this, and the array will contain hello reply me separately. So if you need to check the command that was used, you can just call the first element of the array, which will be hello. Okay, now we have the args. Now if args 0 dot to lowercase because we don't want our command to be case sensitive, is equals to hello message dot reply hi. Now let's try to run our code. Node space dot bot is online, our bot is online. Now let's use hello. Here it is replying with hi. And now if I use the old command that we made hi, because I deleted the code, it is not working obviously. And about the case sensitive, if I'm typing capital H, then it is still replying, so it's working quite well. Now if we need to check one thing more, like if you are going to use any other prefix dot hello, it is still replying it because we didn't specify that the message must start with the prefix. To do that, just get here at the top and type if no message dot content dot starts with prefix return. What it will do is it will check if the message or content or starts with prefix, and the exclamation mark describes that if this condition is false, then we need to return. Now let's try to restart our bot. The bot is online. If I'm typing hello, it is replying quite well, and if I'm typing with using any other prefix, then it is not replying. So it's working quite well. Now If you want to make any other command, you'll use else if args 0 dot 2 lowercase equals to reply or ping message dot reply pong. Now I'm gonna restart the bot is online, hello ping pong, and any other prefix is not working. But if you look at this, the code looks quite, you know, a little big, easy but big, so we can shorten it as well. I'm gonna comment it out for a bit, and I'm gonna use switch case, switch, and what we need to check will come inside this bracket, args 0 dot 2 lower case. The switch case is just like if and else, but it makes the task quite easy, and the code length also shortens a lot. So switch case high, what it will do is which will check if this value is equals to high. The first case is high, then message not reply hello, and after completing one case, you need to break it to tell the code that yes, we have completed the first case, we can move on to the next case if there is any. And case 2 is ping message dot reply pong break. Now let's try to run a bot. Okay, bot is online, and if I'm typing hi, it is replying with hello, and ping is replying with pong, and another prefix is not working obviously because we have told the code, instructed the code that we don't need to run any code after this line if the content is not starting with the prefix. Now if you wanna make the bot repeat what you just said, then case repeat, I'm making a command named as repeat, which will make the bot just say whatever you just said, message dot reply message dot content. Whatever the user is saying is obviously the message dot content, the content of the message, and we are making the bot just send the same thing and break. Now when I run the bot and use this command, you'll see an error. I mean, not an error, but a little bug. Let's see what it is. Hi, hello, and if I type repeat, this is a message, this is a message. See, bot is repeating itself. Let me just log the bot off. Bot is repeating itself again and again. Why? Because the first message was mine, to which it replied, and then after that it is replying to its own message, because we didn't tell the bot that if a user is typing the command then reply. For the bot, everyone is a user, even the bot is a user, unless we tell the bot that you don't need to reply if a bot is sending the command. So therefore it is replying to itself as well, because it also used a command in a sense. So to stop this from happening, just get back at the top of the message create event and add another if condition, if message dot author dot bot. If the author of the message is a bot, then return. We don't need to run anything after this line if the author is a bot. Now let's try to use the command again. Repeat, this is a message, and this time it is not repeating itself. So that's it for today. We're gonna do much more thing using the Discord.js library, and in next video I'm gonna further increase the difficulty of these commands and teach more stuff about it. And before I go, I'm gonna tell brief you about the documentation of Discover.js. This is the website where you can find the complete documentation of Discover.js. Here you can see how what commands, what functions a Discover.js has. If you see in the under the client class, and here are all the events, and we are using the message create event, which is down below. Message delete, message create. You can find even all the things regarding Discover.js in here. So in case you are stuck anywhere, you don't remember what a message object contains, you can just head over here, message, and search here as well, and see everything that a message object has, or any other thing like message.content that we are using, message.author. Message.author is a user that it returns, message.author.bot is a boolean, etc. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to clear any doubts if you had, and do make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See ya in the next video.